My name is Lindsay Penny and I'm Managing Director of Transition Dundee. We are a social enterprise that aims to tackle climate action in our local area. We've got several projects such as a food waste project, a clothing waste project, but also just to raise awareness in our community about the climate emergency and what we can all do about it and how people can get involved. So we needed to build a new website for our new social enterprise, which was very clear about the different projects that we do and how people can access that. So when we heard that there was a group of lovely volunteers out there who could help, we thought we need help with this.
So what we did for them was built them a really simple, really easy to use website using something called Odoo, which is basically just loads of apps that tailor to all business needs. The great thing about Odoo was that the website was really easy to use. Transition had formerly used WordPress, I think, and it wasn't too much of a jump for them to go from managing a WordPress site to using an Odoo site. A lot of kind of, drag and drop components and stuff that are quite easy to use. Odoo has lots of apps available, so if Transition decided that they wanted to have an online shop or have like a point of sale and stuff like that on their site, it was really easy to add that because Odoo has so much on offer. Getting the site up and running, I think, was about 8 weeks. The actual building of the website doesn't take too long itself. That's probably only about 3 weeks of the whole journey. But there's a lot of stuff behind the scenes, discussing what the client needs and getting the site linked up with the domain and whatnot. So I'd say about 8 weeks. This was my first time working in a lead role on a project, and what was good about that was getting some exposure to like different sides of the project that I wouldn't normally see just as a normal volunteer. Stuff like discussions with the client that I would normally not be a part of. It was good to do that, and we had a very lovely client. We had Lindsay at Transition, and it was really lovely getting to work with her.
I really just want to say a huge thank you to the volunteers from STA. We wouldn't have been able to do such a professional site without them, and just all the features that we were able to add and hopefully we'll continue to add will really help our organisation to grow and to communicate with our followers much more easily. So thank you so much to everyone who gave time to help us to get here. We really appreciate it.